Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building your first AI agent from scratch. This is an automated news bot that finds AI news, summarizes it with Google Gemini, and sends you a digest on Telegram every single day. And here's what makes it smart. If there's no news in the last 24 hours, it automatically checks the last 48 hours instead. Pretty cool, right? We're building this step by step in n8n, so you'll understand exactly how AI agents work. So let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we're inside n8n right now. Go ahead and create yourself a new workflow. Click on Workflows in the left sidebar, then click that Create Workflow button. Let's give this a name. I'm calling mine AI News Agent. You can call it whatever you want. Now, instead of using a manual trigger, we're going to use a schedule trigger because we want this to run automatically every day. Click the plus button on the canvas, search for schedule trigger and select it. Click on the node. Look at the settings on the right. Under rule, you'll see interval. Change the drop-down from seconds to hours. Set the hours interval to 24. That means this workflow will run once every 24 hours automatically. Perfect. Now let's add our first real node. Click the plus button after the schedule trigger. Search for HTTP request and select it. This is going to fetch news from NewsAPI. Let's configure this. First, give it a better name. Click on the node name at the top and rename it to Fetch AI News 24 Hours. Now, in the settings, for method, keep it as get. For URL, type this, https://newsapi.org, vtoot, everything. Now, scroll down and toggle on Send Query Parameters. This is important. We're going to add several parameters here. Click Add Parameter and let's start. First parameter, name, API key. For the value, paste your NewsAPI key. If you don't have one yet, pause the video, go to newsapi.org, sign up for free, and copy your API key. Then paste it here. Click Add Parameter again. Name, Q. This is the search query. For the value, type this exactly. Artificial intelligence, or machine learning, or AI, or LLM, or ChatGPT, or Gemini, or Claude, or OpenAI, or Google AI, or deep learning, or neural networks, or generative AI. This tells NewsAPI what topics to search for. Add another parameter, name, language, value, en, that's for English articles only. Add another, name, sort by, value, published at. This sorts the results by newest first. Add another, name, page size, value, 10. This gets us 10 articles. Last one, and this is the cool part. Name, from. Now for the value, we need to use an expression. Click that little switch next to value to turn on expression mode. This automatically calculates 24 hours ago from right now. That's how we get only fresh news from the last 24 hours. Alright, that's our first fetch node done. Don't test it yet. We need to build the whole thing first. Next, we need to clean up the data we get back and check if we actually got any articles. Click the plus button after the Fetch AI News node. Search for code and select it. Rename this node to Clean and Filter 24 Hours. Now we're going to write some JavaScript. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it line by line. Click inside the code editor and delete the default code that's in there. Now paste this code. Okay, let me explain what this code does. First line, it grabs the articles array from the NewsAPI response. The ID means if there are no articles, just use an empty array instead of breaking. Then it checks, did we get any articles at all? If the array is empty, it returns a special signal saying no articles, true, and retry with 48 hours, true. This tells the next node, hey, we need to check 48 hours instead. If we did get articles, it filters out any junk. Articles without titles or descriptions or ones that say removed. Then it checks again. After filtering, do we still have articles? If not, same thing. Signal to retry with 48 hours. If we have good articles, it cleans up the data. For each article, it calculates how many hours ago it was published and creates a nice clean object with just the fields we need: title, description, source, URL, and how long ago. Then it sorts them by most recent first, takes the top 7 articles, and returns them as separate items so we can process each one individually. Pretty cool, right? Now we need to add a decision point. This is where the AI agent gets smart. Click the plus button after the clean and filter node. Search for if and select it. This node will check whether we need to search 48 hours or if we already have articles. Rename it to need 48 hours. Check. Now let's configure it. Under conditions, you'll see a drop-down. Select Boolean for value 1. Click that little switch to enable expression mode. Type this: JSON.retry with 48 hours. This pulls the flag from the previous node. For value 2, select true from the drop-down. What this does is simple. If retry with 48 hours is true, meaning we got no articles, it takes the true path. If it's false, meaning we got articles, it takes the false path. 2 different routes depending on whether we need the fallback or not. This is the fallback path. It only runs when we didn't get any news in the last 24 hours. Click on the true output, add a new HTTP request node. Rename this node to Fetch AI News 48 hours. Now here's what's cool. We're going to configure this almost exactly like the first fetch node. Same URL, same parameters, same everything. Except for one thing. Set it up exactly like before. URL is https://newsapi.org/v2/everything. Turn on send query parameters. Add all the same parameters. API key with your key, Q with the search terms, language is N, sort by is published at, page size is 10. But for the from parameter, this is the only difference. In expression mode, type, see that? 48 instead of 24. So if there's no news in the last day, it automatically checks the last 2 days. Now add another code node after this. Rename it clean and filter 48 hours. Paste the same code as before, the exact same cleaning code. It does the same thing, just for the 48-hour results. Now we have 2 paths, one for 24 hours and one for 48 hours. We need to bring them back together. Click the plus button and search for merge. Select it. This merge node needs 2 connections coming into it. First, connect the false output from the if node. That's when we got 24-hour results. Just drag from the false circle on the if node to the merge node. Second, connect the output from the clean and filter 48 hours node. That's when we use the fallback. Drag from that node to the merge node. Now click on the merge node and configure it. Set mode to append. Set number of inputs to 2. This takes whichever path ran, 24 hours or 48 hours, and passes the data forward. Beautiful. Now, no matter what happens, the data flows to the next step. If we got 24-hour news, great. If not, we automatically got 48-hour news instead. Smart, right? Now for the magic part, we're going to use Google's Gemini AI to summarize each article. Click the plus button after the merge node and add another HTTP request node. Rename it to AI Summarization with Gemini. Here's what we need to configure. Method, change to post. URL, type this: https generative language googleapis.com v1 beta models Gemini 2.0 flash generate content turn on send query parameters. Add 1 parameter, name, key, value your Google AI key. Now, if you don't have a Google AI key yet, I actually have a full tutorial on this channel showing you exactly how to get one. I'll link it in the description and in the cards above. Pause here, watch that video, get your key, then come back. Once you have it, paste it here. Now turn on send headers. Add a header, name, content type, value, application/JSON, turn on send body. Change the drop down to JSON. Now click that little switch to enable expression mode. Here's where we tell the AI what to do. Paste this JSON. I'll show it on here. See those curly braces with dollar signs? Like JSON.title. That's how n8n pulls data from the previous node. So for each article, it sends the title, source, time, and description to Gemini. Gemini reads it and creates a custom summary. This will run for all the articles automatically, whether it's 7 from 24 hours or 5 from 48 hours. All right, we've got our summaries. Now we need to format them into one beautiful report. Add another code node. Rename it to Format Report. This code is going to combine all the summaries into one message with headers, emojis, timestamps, and even check if we use 24-hour or 48-hour data. Delete the default code and paste this. I'll show the code on screen, but let me explain the key parts. It starts by creating a header with the title AI News Digest, the current date and time, and a nice separator line. Then it checks, do we have articles? If not, it says no news found. If yes, it loops through each article. For each article, it extracts the AI summary from the Gemini response, cleans up any special characters that might break Telegram formatting, adds the time ago, the summary text, the article link, and a separator. It builds this all into one long string. Here's the smart part. It checks if any article is older than 24 hours. If so, it adds a note saying from last 48 hours, no news in the last 24 hours, so we expanded the search. If all articles are within 24 hours, it just says last 24 hours. So the user knows what happened. At the end, it adds a footer saying, powered by Google Gemini AI, and when the next update will be. Then it returns everything as a single item with the complete report. Last step, sending this to your phone via Telegram. Click the plus button and search for Telegram. Select it. First, we need to set up credentials. Click Create New Credential. Now, if you don't have a Telegram bot yet, pause the video and do this. Open Telegram on your phone. Search for @botfather. Message him /newbot. Follow his instructions to create a bot. He'll give you a token. Copy it. Then search for @userinfobot and message him. He'll tell you your chat ID. Copy that too. Back in n8n, paste your bot token into the access token field. Click Save. You'll see credentials successfully created. Perfect. Now for the message settings. In chat ID, paste your chat ID number. For text, we need to use an expression. Click that switch to enable expression mode. Type json.report. This pulls in our formatted report from the previous node. Under Additional Fields, click Add Field and select Disable Web Page Preview. Toggle it on. This keeps your messages clean without those big preview cards for every link. And that's it. Our workflow is complete. Let me zoom out so you can see the whole thing. We've got Schedule Trigger, Fetch AI News 24 hours, Clean and Filter 24 hours, If node that checks if we need 48 hours, then it splits. One path goes directly to merge if we got 24-hour results. The other path fetches 48 hours, cleans it, then goes to merge. After merge, everything flows through AI summarization, format report, and finally send to Telegram. 9 nodes working together to create an intelligent AI agent. Now, let's test this thing. Click that big Execute Workflow button at the bottom. Watch it go. You'll see each node light up green as it processes. The Fetch News node hits NewsAPI. The Clean and Filter node processes the data and checks if we have articles. The If node makes the decision, and depending on what happened, either the 24-hour path or 48-hour path runs. Then Merge combines the results. Now it's sending each article to Gemini for summarization. This takes about 30 to 60 seconds because it's processing multiple articles. Format Report combines everything, and Send to Telegram delivers it. There we go. All green check marks. Workflow executed successfully. Now check your phone. There it is. There's our AI News Digest with all the stories perfectly formatted, note telling us whether it's from 24 hours or 48 hours. This is so cool. Right now, this only runs when we click Execute. Let's make it automatic. See that toggle switch at the top that says inactive? Click it to turn it on. It should turn green and say active. Now click Save in the top right. That's it. This workflow will now run every 24 hours automatically. You'll get fresh AI news delivered to your phone every single day. And if there's no news in 24 hours, it'll automatically check 48 hours instead. Your AI agent is now working for you 24/7. How awesome is that? And that's how you build an intelligent AI agent in n8n from scratch. We fetched news, added a smart fallback system, used AI to summarize everything, formatted it beautifully, and delivered it to Telegram, all completely automated and adaptive. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more n8n automation tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions or if you build something cool with this. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.